Hey everybody, it's Paul again. Today we're going to put together one of our baked Bries. We make them, you bake them. We have 3 flavors. We have pesto, we have a fig and caramelized walnut, and a cranberry and almond. Great for your parties. You buy them from us frozen, take them home, put them in the oven. It's really simple, all your instructions. I'm going to show you how to do it real quick. You're just going to lift your Brie out, right on the parchment paper, and sit it on your baking sheet. Take an egg, crack the egg into a bowl, just a little splash of water, give it a little stir up. Now you're going to take your baked Brie, you're going to take a paintbrush or any kind of brush or even a towel, and you're just going to paint it all with nice egg wash so it'll have a beautiful shiny crust when it comes out of the oven. So you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. If you have a convection oven, make sure you put it on convect because it'll cook even better. So you're going to take that, you're going to put it in your oven. Go get yourself a glass of wine and walk away for a couple minutes, about 35, 40 minutes. So you've had a glass of wine or two, and now your baked Brie is all ready for you. And look what you have. And you're going to get all of this luscious Brie ready for your party guests.